What is going on, UGG fam? I'm your girl Kee Kee Soto, and welcome back to Urban Girl Gardening and Lifestyle. Today I'm going to be making two of my favorite DIY fertilizers for the garden, and that is calcium powder and potassium powder. Now I do have videos on making calcium powder, but not on the potassium, so we're going to take our eggs, our banana, and a dehydrator, and we're going to get this done. Stick around to the end for the giveaway, guys. Let's get started. So in my last video, guys, I told you how I like to freeze my banana peels so that I can make potassium powder for the garden. And now we're taking them out of the freezer and we're going to set them to the side just to get the chill off a little bit. And we're going to start with the eggs. So these are all empty eggshells, guys, and what you want to do is go ahead and throw them inside a colander because we want to get them rinsed off. We want to take all our eggs, white eggs, brown eggs, it does not matter. They will all give you calcium for your garden, y'all. So we're going to get them all in there, and then we're going to go ahead and rinse these really good. We just want to make sure to get any yolk or whites that may still be in there out of the shells before we go ahead and get them on our cookie sheet and get them into the oven at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. And while those are in the oven, we are going to hook up our dehydrator. Now, I love this dehydrator. A lot of you already know that. This is the Dehydro Presto, and I don't know where I would be without it. It's a countertop dehydrator. It's not overwhelming. It's great for people who are, dehydrating in small batches, and this is what we're going to be dehydrating our banana peels in. This dehydrator has 4 trays, and we are going to work from the bottom up. Now that thick stem part of the banana, that does not grind well, so we're just going to toss that to the side, and we're going to go ahead and break apart our banana pieces. And this is why I love freezing them, because they snap off so easily. You don't have to worry about chopping. You just break it and spread it out. Don't worry about the pieces being even, because they dehydrate really fast and they shrink down. So, oh look, we're already at tray 2. Now we're going to get to tray 3. We're just going to keep loading up and loading up, and now we are at the end. And we're going to close this up and plug it in, and as you can see, it slides nice and tight there into the corner of your countertop. Now the eggs are out. We're just going to set our eggs to the side on a cooling rack, and we're going to let them cool down for about 10 minutes. It doesn't take long for them to cool off at all. I'll be using my Mr. Coffee grinder, and I like this one. It works pretty well. So I was actually grinding some hot peppers before this, but I don't need to worry about cleaning it out. It's not going to hurt anything. It'll actually probably help, because critters don't like spice in the garden, child. But anyway, so we're just going to go ahead and crush up some of these eggs as we put them in the grinder and grind away. Now I have the grinder set to the fine setting so that I can get a really, really good powdery fine ground on these eggshells, and you'll see why later. A calcium deficiency in your garden will lead to bad water absorption, which in tomatoes, peppers, and other nightshades, that can be really bad. You will get blossom end rot, and you will not harvest because your fruit will rot. So I like to add my calcium right to the planting hole when I am planting my veggies. So after about 8 hours in the dehydrator, our banana peels are done. They shrunk down quite a bit, but that is okay. We're gonna let these cool off before we grind them up. And I'm just spreading out the trays here so that they cool down just a little faster. All right, y'all, so we're gonna just go ahead and pop these pieces in the grinder and get our banana powder, aka potassium powder, going strong. Potassium is so important to the garden because when those flowers start to set, we wanna make sure we have nice, juicy, sweet fruit. And potassium allows the plant walls to be very strong and those natural waters and sugars to move freely through your plant, making your fruit stronger, making your flower set stronger. More flowers mean more fruit, and you'll have the juiciest, sweetest fruit ever, as long as your potassium levels are great in your fruit. So you want to make sure that you add your potassium powder right when you start to see the flowers set. Now some people use banana water, but banana water will mold if you don't watch it carefully, and it takes 3 days to make. Your potassium powder is shelf stable, and you can use it whenever you need it. All right, UGG fam, it is giveaway time. I am giving away a Presto Dehydro Dehydrator. And all you have to do to enter this giveaway is comment below what you would do with your very own dehydrator, what kind of seasonings you would make, how you would preserve your garden goodies, and use the hashtag preserve in your comments. That's it. Comment below and you have entered the giveaway. Just a quick FYI for you guys, both of these powdered fertilizers can be turned into water soluble fertilizers. Just add water or add them to water, mix, and you can pour the nutrients directly to the base of your plants. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and making these quick and easy money-saving DIY fertilizers. Remember to comment below so that you are entered into the Dehydro Dehydrator giveaway. And as always, guys, learn with me, grow with me. I love you guys for real. Bye.